Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for so long. I do apologize, but I'm back with another video. This is a refresh installation video. Basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my installs. This is a very old video that I filmed last year. In fact, the next 3 videos that I'm going to be posting on this channel, it's videos that I filmed last year. When I was being consistent with filming and trying out this content creation thing. I did take a long break from creating content, even though I did film quite a few videos. I'm actually glad that I took a break because I was able to go back to the drawing board and sort of see how I could improve my installations, because I did notice that I leave a lot of lace on my installs simply because the wigs don't really fit my head, and I've just been trying to find ways on how I can make my units fit my head. So and I wanted to improve with my baby hairs and how I style my wigs. So yeah guys, please stay tuned for more videos to come. I do feel like I've improved, and an updated installation video is coming up soon. But the next 3 videos, like I said, I filmed them last year, so I am going to be posting those soon. And then after that, I will be posting an updated installation video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So basically what I'm doing here, I applied the olive oil hair mousse on my edges, on my baby hairs, just to reshape them and firm them up some more. I did not go in with the gel again because that was just going to make them crunchy. So if you want to refresh your baby hairs, the best thing for you to use is your mousse and not the gel. And then I went in with the Glamour spray, adhesive spray, and I'm just touching up the lace so that it can go back to being snatched and laid. I then went in with my lace melt band, and now I'm going in with water. And guys, this is a Jerry curl wig that I installed in my previous video, and it's also called a kinky curly wig unit. So this hair is very difficult to work with for me personally because it sheds a lot. I don't know if maybe it's the texture of the hair, but yeah, every time I install this unit, there's always like a lot of hair on the detangling comb and on my floor. It's just difficult to work with. However, I really love the curl pattern of this wig. I went in with a spray bottle mixed with conditioner and water, and then I went in with my Aunt Jackie's curling custard. I actually found a hack where you can actually put the Aunt Jackie's curling custard in the bottle as well, and then add your leave-in conditioner and then mix that with water. It is honestly the best combo ever. I no longer just use the Aunt Jackie curling custard on its own. I now just mix it with the leave-in conditioner and the water and the spray bottle. It just saves so much time, and it just makes everything look and smell amazing. So I'm just doing that all over the hair and also detangling the hair as I'm applying product. I find that using a detangling spray also really helps when you're working with curly hair. So I did also put that on to the hair. Look at that, you guys. These curls are looking so bomb. So now I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm going to be flattening out the frontal part with my hot comb. As you guys can see, even the hot comb is struggling to comb through the hair. Like, this hair is beautiful, but it is so difficult to work with. But nonetheless, I always finesse. Now I'm going in with my melting spray and I'm just applying that onto my lace. I actually should have gone in with my foundation first and then the melting spray. I don't know, I must have forgotten my steps, but you guys will see later on in the video I will go in with my foundation, but it's always advisable for you to apply that first before going in with your melting spray. So now I'm going in with the Isoplus spritz. You don't really have to use both the melting spray and the Isoplus spritz because I feel like they do the same job, but you know, I like being extra and I like using both of them. So I went back in again with my lace melt band, the mini one, and I like to let that sit for a little bit just to make sure that the lace is nice and melted.
30 hertz straight up.
Now I'm working on my parting. I'm using a powder foundation and I'm just defining my parting. You can literally use concealer, you can use anything or even foundation, it's up to you. I normally use concealer, but on this day I just decided to use powder. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.